Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 15th of January 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, Chicago-based renewable energy developer and engineering firm PivotGen announced today that it will now offer wind project repowering services as part of its core offerings. The three-year-old firm specializes in renewable energy development and optimizing existing wind assets to maximize performance and extend their operational life. The objective of the process is to maximize the value to the owner while minimizing the waste of the repower. As wind turbines age, they become less efficient due to mechanical degradation and technological obsolescence. There are over 50 gigawatts of U.S. onshore wind projects which are 10 years or older. Uruguay and the United Arab Emirates signed a memorandum of understanding on innovation, industry, and energy at the 15th session of the International Renewable Energy Agency. The MOU aims to establish a framework for cooperation in key areas related to industry, energy, and infrastructure. The parties undertake to promote joint activities for the exchange of information, good practices, and development of public policies in these sectors. Italian offshore contractor Saipem is struggling to drill foundations for a wind farm off France's northwest coast, where it's on the hook for hundreds of millions of euros in cost overruns, people with knowledge of the matter said. The company in 2021 won a €460 million contract to build and install foundations for 64 turbines at the Courseulles-sur-Mer project led by Électricité de France. But faulty boring equipment has slowed progress, and the wind farm will likely now be commissioned in 2026 at the earliest, rather than this year as planned. A draft decree on offshore wind power being compiled by Vietnam's Ministry of Industry and Trade includes requirements for foreign investors, such as financial capacity and past experience. Accordingly, foreign businesses must have experience in investing and developing at least one operational offshore wind power project in Vietnam or in the world. New projects looking to join the queue to connect to the United Kingdom's power grid will face a pause as the operator works to implement a more efficient system to add capacity. The halt will start on January 29th, the National Energy System Operator said in a statement on Wednesday. Matt Vickers, the Director of Connections Reform at NISO, said in the statement that, quote, "This transitional arrangement is critical to delivering the connections reforms we will implement later this year, subject to UFGEM approval. Our reforms prioritize projects which are ready to progress and which are needed to deliver clean power by 2030. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.